It's snowing. What better way to start the day than with a new painting? I'm using my chamber pour, and these are the colors that I used. I have an idea for an experiment to make this really unique. You can see that the paint is very thin, and I'm making sure that it covers the whole canvas. Then I start to pour. I find this so mesmerizing to watch that paint slowly come out of that cup, and that pattern that it creates is really beautiful. So of course this isn't the end. I wanted to experiment. I've been wanting to try these different techniques in a different way. You'll see what I mean. Just keep watching. It spread out so quickly because that paint was very thin. I'm adding a few swirls just because I like doing them. So I have another cool idea that I'm gonna try coming up next. So the whole idea behind this video is to have fun, experiment. Why not? And here is something else that I thought would work out pretty good. So I thought this looked really good and the spinning really helped, but I have one more technique that I think really makes the painting. Simply tilting this painting made a huge difference. Don't you love how that looks slowly coming down on that corner? I love it. Wow. I really love this. Not colors that I thought would have been great. It was an experiment, but it almost to me looks like a storm over an island. You're looking way above it and the ocean is surrounding it. I just think this turned out way better than I thought. I'll show you in just 1 second what it looks like dry. So here it is, 1 day to dry, dried perfectly. Do still love that pattern. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit of color, I'm gonna do something more to this. So just 1 second. So I could have easily have left it just the way it was, but I love to paint. I love to use my brushes. And so I wanted to change it up. And as you know, I enhance my pours. And that's what I love to do. That's what I'm doing here. So to get this effect, I used a couple of colors, a light green and an aqua. I like the way they worked well together. After that, I got raw sienna, and I wanted to add that bit of brownish kind of look to it, because to me, it looked like kind of an island, and dirty up the water a little bit. Adding the white is a really good contrast against those colors, and it helps to give focus to a central point. And so here is the after. I do have a before and after image coming up, so look for that. But I do think that enhancing it makes a big difference. And I love the experiments. I think they worked out. Let me know in the comments section what you think. Here is the before and the after. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos.